turn to the right. The left side blue color needs to turn upside. Then we see 3 weight cube. Then the top needs to turn to the left. Then we rotate to the right down. Again, we turn the top to the left. Then the left side cube needs to turn up like this. Then the top side cube needs to turn to the right. Once we see 3 weights cube, we turn down the weight cubes. Here we are. The second row cube completed. We gave to follow this step to change the second row. Like this. If we could get, we repeat the step to replace correct cube like this. Once we got the correct color, we repeat the following steps to complete the second row cube. Like this. The left side also like this. Please subscribe to get the next step video.